I'm a little nervous.
What's up, everyone? My name is Ghostwood, as you already know. Today I'm here with Dewey, Giraffe Blues from our league team.
Hello.
What position do you play?
I play top in our team.
Yeah, but probably not forever, right? What else do you do?
I can play top, mid, and jungler.
Yeah.
Sometimes I can play support.
Yeah. So, Dewey is not from America. Where did you grow up, Dewey?
Yeah, I'm from China.
What part of China?
It's like northeast of China. Yes.
Cool. Okay, so since Dewey isn't from around these parts, I was inspired by a video that some European CSGO teams did where they let their players try some new foods from America, so I figured we'd do that. So I got you some of our most delectable goods here.
Yeah.
So basically I'll just like pull it up to you and you can just give it a taste and let me know like what you think.
Okay.
Okay, so first off, we got you this drink, so I'll give that to you first, that way you can watch on the other stuff.
Yeah.
This is called Nesquik. It's chocolate milk. So you said you've never had flavored milk before?
Yes.
You usually just have milk.
Yeah.
Okay, well, tell me what you thought when you saw this bottle earlier at the store.
I think this picture is seems like just for kids.
It's mostly a children's drink, but
Yes.
so if you want to, here's how you do this. So you like take that, yep, rip it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just have to, you don't have to like ball the whole thing out. There you go.
Yeah. And tasty.
Yep. What do you think?
It tastes like just a normal chocolate.
Yeah.
It's just a chocolate milk.
Yeah, it's just milk with chocolate.
Yes.
Would you drink that any other time?
I think another chocolate milk. It's just like I don't know how to do it.
Purity? Is it like in a gallon?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Cool. Is it like more sugary than that? Because a lot of people say that they don't like Nesquik because it's just like
I think it's same taste.
same taste.
Yeah.
Cool. All right. So next we're gonna do strawberry Pop Tarts. So you said you've never tried Pop Tarts.
Yes.
We got this flavor that you picked out special. A lot of people like the ones that taste like sugar and stuff like that, like the candy as Pop Tarts.
Yeah.
These taste more like strawberry. So
It's like this one.
yeah, I'll leave this one here with you. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Just give it a bite.
Wait, how can you eat it without breaking off the edges? That's the entire point of eating a Pop-Tart. You should break off the edges, then you eat it.
Here's a bite.
It's just like cookies.
Cookies?
Yeah.
Does it taste like strawberries at all?
No.
No.
It's not like that. It's just a cookie. Sweet cookies.
When do you think we eat this? Do you think we eat this for like dessert or for a snack, lunch, breakfast? When do you think we eat these?
I think it's good for breakfast.
That's what yeah, that's correct. We eat this for breakfast. It's the healthiest way to start off your day, right?
Yes.
Just a bunch of sugar.
Less sweet day.
So these are called goldfish. Here in America, we say these are the snack that smile back because that has a little cute little smiley face.
Yeah. It's not fish.
No, it's not real fish.
Yeah.
It's bread. So, usually they don't really taste like cheese at all unless you put like 30 in your mouth. So we got the extreme flavor. This is the good stuff. So you don't have to eat these one at a time because they're super small. So you just reach and grab a handful. So,
You know, if you could get the package open, then you can reach in and grab a hand.
Fish that don't eat meat.
there you go. Get up in that.
It's fish.
Yeah, it's shaped like a fish.
I don't know how to describe it. It's just like snake.
Does it taste like snake?
What, do you like it?
Does it taste like mac and cheese?
It's not sweet, but it's good.
Here, try it. You gotta do it American style. Get like a big handful and just
No.
Alright, fair enough. So goldfish, what would you say? Good, bad? Would you eat this again?
It's just a normal.
Normal?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not good, not bad.
Ding dongs.
Ding dongs.
So these are like A lot of people call them Oreo cake because there's like a little bit of icing in the middle. We got the white type because that's what you wanted to try.
Yeah, because they have chocolate.
That's true. It's still chocolate, just so you know. It's just white fudge. But I've never tried the white fudge before, so. Alright. We usually put these in lunch boxes, so that's like a little afternoon treat.
It's really good.
Really good?
Yeah, it's like a sweet cake, and it has chocolate on this.
Is that your favorite thing you've had so far?
Yeah.
Yeah. A lot of people like ding dongs.
Maybe I'm hungry.
Hungry? Well, that's good because it's lunchtime. So, I think this was probably the thing I showed you that confused you the most earlier.
Yeah.
Right? Sweet. So these are Lunchables. We give these to our children to make them grow.
Yeah, so we put it in like sandwich.
Yeah, you make it like a sandwich, right? So you got bologna. Have you ever had bologna?
No.
No. So bologna's kind of like a meat that we made up. It's not made out of actually anything. It's just kind of all meat put together. So yeah, you just grab a cracker, put some bologna, put some cheese on it, and then like put another cracker on top. Yep.
It's small cookie hamburger.
Small cookie hamburger.
This one?
No cracker. And the cookies are like a little dessert.
Okay, I'm gonna do this one.
Yep. Just like that.
It's similar like cookies on this one. How to say this one?
Bologna?
Yeah, just the cookies on bologna. It tastes good.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was never allowed to have these as a kid because there's like, it pretends that you're eating like a sandwich, but it's actually just junk food.
Yeah.
It was like a special occasion when you got a Lunchable. You go to the store and I was like, you can pick out one Lunchable.
It was a half day. That's usually when I got Lunchables.
Yeah.
Don't burn down the house when you make yourself mac and cheese. Just get a Lunchable. Yeah. So you like that? Would you eat that again?
But
Would you eat that again?
it's good.
Yeah, it's good. Alright. Last but not least, these are called Fruit Gushers. Do you know fruit snacks?
Yes.
Okay, so these are like fruit snacks. Whoa, but when you bite into it, it explodes. And there's like juice in it. I'm gonna have a pack of these with you. There you go.
It's just like fruit sugar.
Fruit sugar?
Yeah, I know it's hard to yeah. But it's good.
Do you feel like the explosion or whatever, or does it just feel like there's suddenly juice in it?
Yeah, it's some black juice.
Okay, so let's go favorite to least favorite, okay? Actually, let's start at the bottom. So what was your least favorite thing that you had?
The favorite one, this one.
This is your favorite?
Yes.
Ding
Ding
dongs?
dongs? Yeah.
Which one would you say you liked the most after ding dongs?
Maybe the milk.
The milk. You like the milk?
Yes. It's healthy.
It's healthy. There you go.
And this one.
The Lunchable?
Yeah, sandwich guy.
Sandwich guy. What about Fruit Gushers, Pop-Tarts, Goldfish?
These two is same.
The Tide?
Yeah.
And then Goldfish least?
Yes.
You wouldn't buy this for yourself?
No.
Really? This is a lot of people's favorite. I don't know how... I swear it's because you didn't try it.
Maybe I really like.
Yeah, that's what you have to do. Yeah, try. Will you do one try for me?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. And you can wash it down with your chocolate milk if you need to.
Yeah.
Better?
It's just need.
It's just more crackers. Here, wash that down so that we can finish the video. Yeah, once he's finished chomping, I'll outro. Alright, so there we have it. Thank you, Mr. Giraffe Blues, for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed trying some of the food I grew up on. If you guys liked the video, please make sure to like and subscribe so that way you can see more content. Also, I'll be uploading some of the games that Dewey himself will play in. We're about to enter a couple tournaments, so we'll have some fun tech games coming up soon. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. See ya.
See you.